that Sean's at his table. Right? Not like we made it. We all war room staff. I just, kind of your kids. President Trump never turned off the lights on his campaign. He announced for re-election, filed for it pretty much immediately after taking office. So we are absolutely out there spreading the message of all the accomplishments of this administration. He's like something no one has ever seen before in the political world. He is aggressive and exciting, and he's willing to break every norm to achieve the best possible outcome for every American. We fully anticipate we're going to continue to do that, and we fully expect President Trump to win again in 2020. So this was previously a financial trading floor. We got this beautiful updated space with all the furniture for a steal of a deal. And we're gonna be able to save millions of dollars for the campaign by doing this.
Trying to have.
Actually, it's in Iowa.
These are very intricate. No child can color this.